can do it. I can get up. I made it. I'm up. I gotta fall back up. Just 1 minute. Oh, but it's still there. Okay. What's hooked on today?
Come on.
Mackenzie, thank you. I found it. You need a timer for me? Yeah. I don't think we can. Help! Someone needs to untie this. There! You got it. Oh, safe. Okay. Now we got the golden lever. So now we need to find something to put this golden lever and then push it and then pull. I don't know. Ah, right there! You go. Okay, fine. Sorry, that's fine. Okay, now you ready? Sure this is gonna work. Yep, just cut out of it, Mackenzie. Well, not just Mackenzie. Mackenzie's the one who got it. Someone else should do it. Fine, I'll do it. The rest, all of us just have to go on the tippet. Woo! Because this is saying woof, woof. But now she's gone. She's gone. She's dead. Hey guys, stop arguing over Mackenzie. She's not done. She's not dead. She is still alive. She just vanished. Yeah, but now we can't see her anymore. Yeah. Hey guys, I have an idea. Hey, what are you doing? Hello, Mackenzie. Hey, that is just so weird. Okay, I want to try. Hi, Mackenzie. How does everyone do this? Oh, I get it. But how do you save the police? I don't know. That's what we came down here for, to save the police, and the police aren't here? This is crazy. Yeah, like, that'd be crazy, because what, like, oh. There's no place to go. I wonder what they're doing in there. Yeah. Who's in this back? Shiner? I haven't seen this back of the truck all day. And none of you picked me up. You were in the back of the truck all day. That's just crazy. No, I think she's telling the truth. Yeah, me too.
I'm never going to go.
Okay, so how do we get in? How do we get out of this? We're stuck here. Look at this. there's this rope that leads. We can use this rope and then tie it onto someone. Well, it's almost at 5 minutes, so we'll stop this.